Okay, here's a quick little tip on how to become more successful as an online marketer, or how to get more conversions to whatever you're promoting on the internet. And that tip is, don't drive your traffic directly to your link. If you're getting a link from, let's say, ClickBank, don't drive your traffic directly to that link. You're going to want to create yourself a landing page. But having a landing page isn't quite good enough. You're going to want to have 2 or 3 landing pages, and you're going to use a rotator to rotate your landing pages. Every time somebody different comes to your website, they're going to see a different landing page, and then you're going to look inside your tracking software to find out which landing page had the most results, or what landing page was able to capture more of people's emails than the other, and you're going to disregard the losing landing pages and promote the landing page that is the winner, and you're going to continue to tweak that landing page. Let's say you're going to take your winning landing page and make a duplicate of that winning landing page and change just one thing on the duplicate. Maybe you're going to change the color of the primary text. That's all. Don't change anything anymore. Just change one little thing. So you're going to duplicate the winning landing page. So you're going to have 2 landing pages that are exactly the same. You're going to want to change one thing, maybe the size of one line of text, or change the color, or change a picture. And then you're going to run your traffic again to those two landing pages, the winning landing page and the clone of the winning landing page, with one little change. And you're going to find out which one the winner is, and you might find out that the clone with just one little change is actually getting more emails or converting better. And the reason you only want to change one thing is because if you're a clone that you have changed too many things, you're not going to know what is really causing the people to respond better, because you change too many things. So you're going to want to change one thing at a time, for you can track which landing page is responding or giving the best conversions. And you're going to want to use something called ClickMagick. That's one of the better rotators out there on the market today. And also, it's not just a rotator or a tracking type software. It also creates very, very good funnels. So below this video someplace, I'm going to put a link to ClickMagick. I highly, highly recommend you get ClickMagick. It's really awesome. I use it, and a lot of the marketers that I know use it. My mentor, who has taught me a lot of very important lessons, he also uses it also. So again, if this video has been at all helpful in any way, please like and share and join my YouTube channel, for I continue to create more awesome videos for you guys out there.